In this question, it is given that let A, B, and C be 3 by 3 matrices such that A is symmetric and B and C are skew symmetric. Consider the statements. S1 means this is symmetric. S2 means this is symmetric. You have to find the correct choice. To understand the meaning of symmetric matrix, let X be some matrix. X is symmetric matrix means X transpose is equal to X, and skew symmetric means X transpose is equal to minus X. Keeping these two facts in mind, and next concept which you should keep in mind is XY transpose is equal to Y transpose into X transpose. And one last concept which you should know is for any square matrix X, X to the power n whole transpose is equal to X transpose whole to the power n. And now, keeping all these formulas in mind, I will be doing this question. In this question, the matrix A is said to be symmetric, B and C are skew symmetric. That is, according to given information, A transpose is equal to A, but B transpose equal to minus B, and C transpose is equal to minus C. And one more formula which you should know for doing this question is A plus or minus B transpose is equal to A transpose plus minus B transpose. And now, to check this matrix, I write A to the power 13, B to the power 26 minus B to the power 26, A to the power 13 whole transpose is equal to A to the power 13, B to the power 26 transpose minus B to the power 26, A to the power 13 transpose. This is equal to B to the power 26 whole transpose into A to the power 13 whole transpose minus A to the power 13 whole transpose into B to the power 26 whole transpose. And just now I told that B to the power n whole transpose is equal to B transpose whole to the power 26, A transpose whole to the power 13 minus A transpose whole to the power 13 into B transpose whole to the power 26. And because B was skew symmetric, therefore it is minus B to the power 26, A to the power 13, A to the power 13, and minus B to the power 26. Hence I get B to the power 26, A to the power 13 minus A to the power 13 into B to the power 26. That is equal to minus of A to the power 13 B to the power 26 minus B to the power 26 A to the power 13. That is, we have got the transpose of this matrix equal to negative of this matrix. Hence I can say this is skew symmetric matrix. Therefore S1 is false. And now check this thing. That is A to the power 26 C to the power 13 minus C to the power 13 A to the power 26 whole transpose is equal to A to the power 26 C to the power 13 whole transpose minus C to the power 13 A to the power 26 whole transpose. This is equal to C to the power 13 whole transpose, 8 power 26 transpose, 8 power 26 transpose, C to the power 13 transpose. This is equal to C transpose to the power 13, A transpose to the power 26, A transpose to the power 26, C transpose to the power 13. This is equal to, because C transpose is minus C and A transpose is A, and it is minus C to the power 13. That is, I get minus C to the power 13, 8 power 26 plus 8 power 26 C to the power 13. This is equal to 8 power 26 C to the power 13 minus C to the power 13 8 power 26. And hence we have found that the transpose of this matrix is same as the matrix. Hence I can say this is symmetric matrix is true. That is, second choice becomes the correct choice.